today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your idle miner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list, and there you're looking for idle miner app, or just click on search. Then here add idle miner app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for mini gold idle miner here, it's going to show for you like this, you will find evidence, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.